the Filipino Veterans Equity Bill. The Filipino Equity Bill has been approved for almost 63 years at the back burner. The Filipino veterans are very happy and grateful. It has been in the Philippine newspapers that everyone is so ecstatic that at last their honor and dignity are justified. But what are the strings attached to this manna from heaven for the fast dwindling members of World War II veterans? We have scary thoughts that these benefits are limited to certain veterans and nothing for survivors' spouses. Why? Anyway, they say what you see is what you get. Better late than never. Better than nothing. The Philippine government is more honorable because widows of World War II veterans are entitled to a small compensation in recognition of their service to their country, although that war was not the war. That was America's war in the Philippines. Do we need to remind Uncle Sam that during that time we were still a territory of the United States? Do you remember the famous landing in Leyte Beach in the Philippines of General Douglas MacArthur when he said, "I shall return"? He returned all right. The famous Bataan Death March to Capas Tarlac, when many died along the way. Maybe there are still survivors who could attest to the heroism and comradeship of Filipino veterans to their American comrades. How about the surrender of the Yamasita forces to the American forces in the Philippines? That was the culmination of World War II. But not long after that, the U.S. Congress passed the Recession Act and signed by President Truman. That was so unfair and unjust. But what good now is the green box when most of the Filipino veterans are already dead? Thank you, and no thank you.